Meaning of ghost story.
Ghost story.
Ghost story.
Ghost story.
Ghost story. A ghost story is a tale of supernatural events and experiences, often involving spirits or apparitions of dead people, that evoke feelings of fear, mystery, and unease in the audience. These stories often take place in spooky or haunted locations such as old houses, dark forests, or abandoned buildings. They can be fictional or based on real-life events and are often told around campfires or during Halloween season. The purpose of a ghost story is to entertain and thrill the audience while exploring themes such as death, loss, and the afterlife in a supernatural context.